Welcome to Youth Empowering. In the next two lectures, we are going to discuss on cells of the innate immune system, which are of two types, granulocytes and phagocytes. But in this lecture, we are going to focus on granulocytes, which includes natural killer cells, mast cells, eosinophils and basophils. Okay, alright, let us start our lecture. All white blood cells or leukocytes are the major cells of the innate and adaptive immune system. These cells of the innate immune system recognize the pathogen and destroy it that might cause the infection. So these cells prevent us from the diseases. Granulocytes includes natural killer cells, mast cells, eosinophils, basophils and neutrophils. All these types of the cells are at front line of attack during an immune response. These cells contain multi-lobed nuclei and their cytoplasm contain granules. These granules are filled with proteins. These proteins and enzymes can directly kill the pathogen or regulate the activity of other immune cells. First of all, we discuss natural killer cells. Natural killer cells are closely related to the B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes, and they form 5 to 10% of the lymphocyte in the peripheral blood. When pathogens are present inside the cells, they are not recognized by the macrophages and neutrophils. They are killed by natural killer cells. Natural killer cells do not directly kill the pathogen because they don't have receptors for the recognition of pathogen. Instead, natural killer cells attack the host cells that have been infected by the microbes and tumor cells. They distinguish the cells that should be killed from the normal cells by two methods. In first method, they recognize the absence of the major histocompatibility class 1 molecules which are expressed by almost all normal cells but are absent on the affected cells. By second method, they recognize the proteins which are present on the all infected cells but are not present on the normal cells. Once the infected cell is recognized, natural killer cells become active and release their granular content. These proteins and enzymes form pore inside the infected cells and result in the killing of pathogen. Natural killer cells also have receptors for the antibodies. When antigen is combined with antibody, these immune complexes bind with the receptors on the natural killer cells. Natural killer cells destroy the antigen. In addition to this, natural killer cells also have receptors that recognize the viruses and kill them. Mast cells are type of innate immune cells that resides in the connective tissue, mucous membrane and in various other organs. Macrophages and mast cells are first dedicated cells that recognize the presence of pathogen in our body. These cells are activated by injury and pathogen. Once these cells are activated, these cells release granules which are rich in histamine, heparin and other chemicals. Histamine dilate the blood vessel and increase the smooth muscle contraction and attract the neutrophil at the site of infection, which destroy the pathogen. So the mast cells function as defense against the pathogen, wound healing, but are often associated with allergy. Eosinophils play their role in the defense against the parasitic organism. Parasites are multicellular organisms. They are not phagocytosed by macrophages and neutrophils. Instead, they are attacked by the bombardment of the enzymes which are provided by the eosinophils. Eosinophils form a cluster around the parasites and release their granular content. These granules contain DNase, lipase, protease and some other enzymes that damage the membrane of the pathogen. Once the membrane of the pathogen is damaged, it results in the death of the parasitic organism. Eosinophils are also responsible for tissue damage occurring during the allergic reactions. They also secrete cytokines and chemokines that regulate B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes, so the eosinophils are involved in the regulation of the adaptive immune responses. Basophils are the cells of the innate immune system that perform function very similar to the eosinophils. Their granules contain basophilic proteins, particularly histamines, heparin, and several other chemicals. Basophils, which release histamine, are important in the defense against the parasites and play a role in the allergic reaction such as asthma. They also secrete cytokines. They regulate the B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. So this was about the granulocytes of the innate immune system. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.